the terima kasih sign in Indonesian. KadoKado. Buat sobat kado. Terima kasih sudah berbelanja di KadoKado. There's an Instagram and TikTok. And a lot more. So, whoa! This is a unicorn slime! And this is a panda slime! It's so cool! Now I'm going to review the unicorn slime. Now I'm going to put this unicorn slime right here because I want to do the panda slime first to unbox. I am using a scissor. This is whoa! This is panda slime. Wait, there's something here. Wait, I think I know it. I think it's an Oreo. So good. It's edible, but it's not. It's one. I don't think it's edible.
It's edible or not?
No, it's not edible. You have to wash your hands before and after using this slime.
It smells good?
It smells good, yes.
What's inside?
What's inside? Oh, it's just an Oreo charm. It's, I think while shipping, I think it's go down because while shipping, well, it goes down. The Oreo is like half eaten, but you cannot eat it. Choking margin. I see it. It is very stretchy and glossy. Whoa, there's a sticker inside it. It's so cool. It's like a flying panda, but sometimes it's a normal panda. It's so cute. It didn't say it had stickers in it. Now I'm going to move on to the next slime. I think it will have another sticker in it, I think. Now I'm going to review the unicorn slime. It's actually called unicorn cookie dough slime. And I'm glad it didn't mix while shipping. Now I'm going to open it. I don't know, but some of it is kind of like some of it is in a bag or something. There is two slime in it. First is the pink one and the blue one. And it has a pink Oreo star. Now I am going to mix the two in. I think it might turn blue or a more bluish kind of purple because there's more blue. No, it's turned, I was right, it turned into a bluish purple color. I think it's still blue or maybe purplish blue color, I don't know. Although it's very glossy and stretchy. And it has a good a sticker, guys. It's so cute. Why do they have so cute stickers? So that's it. See you in the next video.